What's the meaning of brawl? Brawl. Brawl.
Brawl. Brawl. Brawl refers to a noisy and violent fight between multiple people. This is the type of situation where physical altercations take place, and it is often characterized by loud shouting, swearing, and aggressive behavior. The result of a brawl can be quite serious, with people sustaining injuries or damage to property. Brawls can also lead to legal trouble, with people being arrested or charged with assault. It is important to avoid getting involved in brawls and to seek help from law enforcement or other authorities if needed.